Fix in 5. P0457. EVAP system leak detected. Fuel cap loose/off or purge line damaged 16. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated on dashboard, fuel odor near fuel tank or rear of vehicle, possible difficulty starting engine, slight reduction in fuel efficiency, no obvious drivability symptoms in many cases. Now the most likely causes. Cracked or disconnected charcoal canister purge line, most common. Clogged or faulty EVAP purge valve. Disconnected or corroded purge valve connector. Saturated or damaged charcoal canister. Leak in fuel tank return line or pressure sensor connection. How to fix it. Inspect and repair/replace damaged purge lines. Verify all pressure connections. Clean or replace faulty EVAP purge valve. Drain and replace charcoal canister if saturated or cracked. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €1235 fuel cap, to €8200 purge valve, doing it yourself, or €5275 fuel cap plus labor, to €12260 purge valve plus labor, at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0457 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0457 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0457. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.